Mike Griffin here with Home Cash Buyers Florida. We just went under contract for a duplex here over in Thonotosassa. I'm going to give you a quick view of it. Sight unseen bought, other than the exterior. We have not seen the interior of it until we purchased the property. Should be closing the first part of March. It's a duplex, approximately about 700 square foot per side. And our intent is to go in and gut the bathrooms and the kitchen, install those, new flooring and paint, a little bit of minor repair on the exterior, replace the fences, and get these things rented. So that's our end game for it. These are the duplexes I was just speaking about, and just simple block, straightforward duplex, nothing fancy. We purchased it through family members who had inherited it. They did not want to deal with the tenants who were not paying, so that's opened opportunity up for us. Again, Home Cash Buyers Florida, Mike Griffin. Like I said, anything that you see out there, you have family members or anyone that's wanting to sell a distressed property, that's what we want. Uglier the better. That's what we like. Again, 813-967-3607. Thank you and have a great day.